It's a Primark haul for you today, and I've moved a little bit in the bedroom. So what I'm going to do, this is a massive haul, so I'm going to split it into two. It's mainly clothes and a lot of tops, but I'm going to do some try-ons for you as well, so you can see the different tops that I've got in quite a lot of different shades, some of them. So, right, I'm going to start with some of the skinny rib tops now. These all come in at £6. And they have got a massive array of different colours in Primark at the moment. And some of them are slightly different. You've got a thick rib, a thin rib, a turtleneck, a polo neck, a high neck. So I've got myself quite a few, so you can have a look at them. This next one is grey. It sort of blends in with what I'm wearing, and the curtains. Love this. It's just a very sort of light grey, the slightly thicker rib with the polo neck again. Very nice just to put under clothes or to wear on its own. Yeah, love this colour. It's very, very versatile. That's the grey on. Really love this colour. I actually went back to Primark today and looked for one of these, forgetting I'd already bought it. So thankfully they didn't have any in my size. But I love this colour. Really nice grey. I like the softness of it. This is a definite one for work. Very pleased with this one. And then this next one is sort of a cornflower blue, baby blue. And it's got a higher neck and a slightly thinner rib designed to that one. There it is in blue. Yeah, like that one. I should be keeping that. All of these tops have got different necklines. It's unbelievable. Some are high, some are low, some are roll necks. Right, let's pick a few items off this selection. I've gone crazy. I don't think I'm going to keep all this lot because my wardrobe is already full. I actually said to myself, I'm not going to buy many more stuff for, I'm not going to buy much more stuff for autumn, winter, jumper wise. But, well, there's the evidence. So, where shall we start? Right, let's start off with this one. It's like a biscuity sort of colour. Camel colour maybe. Size XS, size 6 to 8, £6, roll neck, lovely light knit little jumper. Really like this. I'm hoping it fits okay. So that's that biscuity coloured one on. Yeah, loving this one. I really actually like the material of this. It feels a bit different to some of the other tops I've been trying on recently. Love the neckline. I love a roll neck. It's just a very simple top. Yeah, excuse my hair. Look at the state of it now. I've tried on so many things. The makeup's gone. The hair's a mess. Trying videos are quite hard work. Next up, I'm hoping this goes over the top I've just shown you. So this was £10, which is stretching the budget for me a bit. Actually, this is quite expensive compared to some of the other stuff I've picked up. I do find when they have new sort of fashion items in Primark, they whack the prices up. I think they should have been probably £8, but never mind, I like it. So I'd say this is sort of an oatmeal colour. They had this in a couple of different colours, grey and this one. So £10. These are all the fashion this autumn winter, the sleeveless tops. Really like them. I've always liked these. I'm just hoping it looks okay with something underneath it and on me. So there it is over a brown one. It's very versatile, this. I think it goes with greys and browns. They did have it in a grey colour as well, but I think I'm not going to get two. But if you like the look of it, it did come in grey as well. So I always check out the fitness sort of area. I'm massively into my fitness and training. Needed some long leggings. So I saw these, they're quite shiny and they've got a massive waistband on them. So they are size XS 6 to 8, £6, which is absolutely fantastic for a pair of training bottoms. The cheapest ones normally in Primark are £10, so to get some for £6 is amazing. So they are quite shiny. They've obviously got a lot of lycra in them, and hopefully you can work out, or you can see that big waistband. They're slightly patterned as you go down, but nothing major. I'm not sure what these are going to look like, so I'll pop them on now and let's see what we make of them. That's the leggings on. They took me ages to get on. They're really, really full of lycra, but I've got them on now. They're high-waisted, pulled them right up. I'm only 5'3", as I may have already mentioned, and they are a little bit long for me, but I will wear them. They're fine for me, but anybody a bit taller, they'll be fine for you as well. They are very slimming, very flattering because they've got so much lycra in them. Yeah. For how much did I say these were? £6. These are a definite recommendation if you want something to work out in, or in fact I'd wear them with a top like this. So yeah, proper winner. Thank you Primark for my dinner. That's ridiculous. This is one of my favourite tops from the haul. Absolutely love it. I got this from the children's section. So it's sort of a pale pinky colour with these beautiful pearls. The pearls are in the same colour. They're like a peachy, almost oyster colour. Just hope that's coming up on camera. So I got this in an age 12 to 13 and it was a size 10. Love the neckline. Quite short, sort of a crop top. Actually looks quite small, so I'm not sure if it's going to fit. I really hope it does because I love it. So there's the pink top on. Pleased with this one as well. The arms are quite balloony. I'm not overly keen on that, but I suppose it's the fashion at the minute, isn't it? But maybe if I roll those up, yeah, that sort of takes it out a little bit. Not an awful lot, but love that. Love this colour. Love the little pearl detail. Love the neckline. That for me is £10 well spent. Another grey jumper. Grey seems to be the theme of this year. Love this neckline. It's like, I don't know, it's sort of a floppy funnel. Not sure. I had a jumper in, oh, that was a bit high. I had a jumper in this material last year. It's sort of a grey ribbed type of material. And I really liked it, but it did go bobbly a bit quickly. But I thought I'm going to try it again. This is quite a crop top. Sort of, what do you call it, dapple grey? So got this in a smaller size because it's very oversized. Went for the 2XS, which is a 4 to 6, as if. £8. Really looking forward to trying this one on because I like the feel of it and like the look of it. So that's the next jumper. I really like this one as well. I need to find another word of saying I really like something. With jeans, I think this would look great. A nice casual top for the weekend. Very glad I sized down in it because it is pretty roomy even still with the smaller size. Yeah, I like that. I think for the money, that's a really nice jumper. Just a plain black jumper here. Like the look of this, ribbed. It's thicker than some of the others I've either shown you or I'm going to show you. It's more of a jumper, so a little bit more wintry, but not a heavyweight jumper. It's very lightweight, so I think it will keep me warm but won't be too bulky. I got this in an age 12 to 13 and it was £7. Really hope it suits me. Guys, I'm doing this, my hair's getting messier and messier. Yeah, love this, another nice one. Like the neckline, it's quite baggy at the bottom and I think that may actually go a bit big, you know, when you've worn it a few times. But I'm okay with that because it's not overly big. The sleeves are quite long, so I think I'd be able to roll those up. Loving being able to get in these children's clothes. It's just sort of giving me so many more options. But yeah, I've got this one for work. I'm not sure whether I'm going to keep it for work or not. Might use this one for weekends as well. But I think maybe once the more wintry months come in, that might just actually work nicely for work. So a lovely pale grey this time. High neck, sort of a turtleneck. It's woolly and it feels thick, but it's very lightweight, if you get what I mean. So I think it will keep me warm, but it's not too bulky or too heavy. So age 12 to 13, £7. There it is in the grey. I do like this. I love the colour. Oh, do I keep it or not? I'm not sure if the neck is as nice as the black version. Feels a little bit roomy. I might have to make another decision on this one once I watch the playback. What do you think to that one? Is it worth keeping for the price I've paid, or should I return that one? So I saw this one and I thought, oh, interesting. It's got a fabulous neckline. It is very different. It's just got a sort of material that just flops, and I suppose it's polyester actually. It is in a non-creasing material. So this actually could be paired with a pair of black denim jeans, black trousers, or I think it would look really nice with a pair of faux leather trousers. So this is in a size 8 and it was £11, and I really hope this is going to suit me because I like the look of it. So that's the black top on. I haven't actually got a purpose for this, but for me this is one of those classic tops that just keep it in your wardrobe. It's timeless sort of fashion that you can just pull out whenever you need it. I could even wear it for work if I needed to. The neckline's very odd, you just sort of let it fall. But I like that because it's a high neckline. Bit tricky to get on, I have to say, and somehow I've managed to do it up myself. But I hope it looks okay from the back as well. Yeah, the arms are nice, falls nice, just a very simple top. Could put a little bit of jewellery on there just to brighten it up because it is very plain. But yeah, I think for the price that's quite a decent top just to have as a staple in my wardrobe. So there we go, that's that one done. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please do keep your eye out for the second version or the first version to go with this, because I've ended up filming it for over an hour, so I'm going to have to split it down and then cut it down when I edit it. But you don't need to know that, even though I just told you. So yeah, mainly clothes on this one. Didn't get many accessories this time, but it's probably because I'm all accessoried out from Primark. Yeah, I've got so much stuff. But I didn't need. I have added to my winter wardrobe. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Please do give me a big thumbs up if you have. And if you've not subscribed, hit the button. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.